In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up ElevenLabs voices using two methods that actually work. These methods are straightforward, and by the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a good grasp of how you can fine-tune your audio to suit your needs. But before we dive in, if you're new to ElevenLabs or considering giving it a try, don't forget to use our affiliate link while signing up. It's a great way to support our channel, and we really appreciate it. Let's get started with the first method. Whether you're familiar with ElevenLabs or just starting out, it's good to know that within the text-to-speech tool, you have plenty of control over how your audio sounds. Once you've entered the text you wish to convert into speech, direct your attention to the right panel where you'll find the settings. Here, you'll see a horizontal slider specifically for adjusting the speed of the voice output. By simply sliding this control more towards the left, you'll be able to accelerate the pace at which your text is read aloud. This is incredibly convenient if you're in need of a quick tweak without much hassle. Now, let's move on to the second method, which involves using third-party tools. Suppose you've already generated your desired audio clip using ElevenLabs, and you wish to further fine-tune the speed. This is where downloading the audio becomes necessary. Once you have your file, a variety of software options or websites can help you, but today I'll mention audiotrimmer.com. It's a reliable online tool with a feature specifically designed for altering the tempo of your audio. To use this option, head over to their website where you will find their tempo changer. Upload the audio file you downloaded from ElevenLabs, and from there, you can adjust the speed according to your preferences. This method is great for those who want more detailed control over their final audio file, perhaps for special projects that require specific speed alterations. And there you have it, straightforward and effective techniques to speed up ElevenLabs voices. By utilizing the built-in settings on ElevenLabs, or expanding your editing capabilities with third-party tools like audiotrimmer.com, you have a range of options to achieve the perfect audio speed for your projects. I hope you found these tips useful and feel more confident in customizing your audio output. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!